Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are having an amazing day, and if you're not having an amazing day, then this video is for you. We're gonna set intentions in 5 steps. Let's go. Here are the 5 ways that you can set your intentions, and that they're really simple and easy to use. No complicated ways on how to set intentions. It's really simple. Let me walk you through the 5 steps that I use to set my intentions for whatever intention that I want to put out there in the world. The first step is your thinking process, right? That's pretty obvious. You have to think about your intentions and what it is that you want to intend. If you're new to setting intentions, you want to start out small, because if you start out big, you're going to get overwhelmed really quickly. So start out small. But these steps will help you in the process of setting intentions. You have to be mindful setting intentions, and there's a method to it. A way to start out small is in the morning, just set an intention for your day. If you want to do more of a bigger intention, you can set intentions throughout your day. But when you're starting to learn the process of setting intentions, it takes time to think about it, to be mindful about it. Start with one thing that you can have an intention on, and use that intention throughout the month or a couple of months, whatever time frame, until you start getting used to using the setting intention process. You can also have an intention towards something specific. The second thing I recommend is having some sort of tool. This tool can be anything. It could be a crystal, it could be a Bible, it could be oracle cards, whatever it is. I believe having a physical object will help you in setting this intention, and I like to use my selenite crystal lately. And I would recommend, if you want to use a crystal that will clear negative energy away, that has clearing properties. I love selenite, and it just is a recharging crystal. And what I like to do, if you have a crystal or a Bible or oracle cards or a stuffed animal, whatever it is that you want to use to set your intention, I like to hold it close to my heart. And it's just a way to connect with yourself, and to connect with your higher self, and to connect with your higher power. Whatever source that you believe in, it doesn't matter. This is not a religion. The third tip is to write it down. I believe in the power of writing everything down, whatever it is, whether you're expressing your emotions or you're setting intentions. Make sure you use a pen or a permanent marker. Don't use a pencil, because you can erase it. Unless you don't want to manifest certain intentions. But I recommend using a pen or a permanent marker, writing it down, what it is you intend every single day. I believe in the power of putting it on paper, because then you take yourself seriously, and then universe or the higher power takes you seriously as well. My fourth tip is to be honest with yourself. If you're having a lot of fear and a lot of doubt when you're setting your intentions, and you're putting it on paper and you're visualizing it, whatever it is that you're doing to set those intentions, you're mindfully saying it, but you're having in the background, you're having anxiety about it, you're having fear about it, you don't believe in yourself, self-doubt, you're putting the wrong signals into the universe, you're giving that higher power the wrong signals, and you're giving yourself the wrong signal. And it's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work out for you. And you want to prevent that from happening. The fifth step that I have for you with setting your intentions to help you out if you're not being honest with yourself is to realign yourself. Raise your frequency. There's so many different ways to raise your frequency. Music is one of them. I will link down below my how to raise your frequency video, or how to have high vibrations. I'll link that down below. Definitely check that out. If you're in a funk, or you're not feeling the greatest in yourself with your spirit and your soul, you definitely want to realign yourself. And you can constantly do this, right? We're humans. We're spiritual beings having a human experience. So we are human. Things happen, mistakes happen, but this is why it's so great to set intentions, because it really helps you be mindful in what it is that you want, and whatever it is, whether it's your day, you want to have a positive day, or whether you want to attract something in your life. These are different steps in setting your intentions, and it's just gonna really help you. I have a bonus tip for you guys. If you guys want to amplify or have your intentions manifest faster, do it during the new moon cycle or the full moon cycle. You want to go through the moon cycles, because then it'll help you get in the alignment as well. The new moon is all about new beginnings and manifesting, and when you set your intentions that day, you are connecting with the moon, and you're connecting with yourself, and it's this full circle, guys. Yes, what is this? I don't know. That is all the tips and steps that I have for you guys for setting intentions. It's super easy. If you have other ways of setting intentions, please open up the conversation down below and let me know. Or if you liked any of these tips. Thumbs up if you like this kind of video. As well, subscribe to my channel to hang out with me every Monday and Friday. Other than that, let's dive in. Prayers to your chest. Nice inhale, exhale. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste, guys. Stay gold, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Clear that negative energy. Clear that negative energy. Don't doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. You deserve to have whatever it is that you want.